The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seat, compass, trip computer, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.